A lot of people think plagiarism only means copying and pasting someone else's work. Are you one of them? But what if parts of your content already exist online and you don't even know it? Welcome back to CopyChecker Insight. In today's episode, we are exploring CopyChecker's Plagiarism Checker. We will look at every feature, run a real plagiarism test, understand the reports, review the statistics, and even compare the available plans. So, let's check. This is the main Plagiarism Checker interface. The tool works entirely online. It performs advanced analysis rather than only looking for exact word matches. And it performs deep searches across a broad database to identify content similarities. The Plagiarism Checker also supports multiple languages. You can switch between different language interfaces directly from the top menu. This makes the tool accessible for users around the world without changing platforms. This is where your plagiarism check begins. You can either paste your text directly into the editor or upload a document. The word counter updates automatically as you type. And if you want to start over, simply clear everything using the delete button. I usually recommend checking content before publishing, not after. The process itself is straightforward. First, add your text. Second, run the plagiarism scan. Third, review the plagiarism report. The goal isn't simply getting a percentage, it's understanding where similarities exist and whether they need revision. Advanced plagiarism detection helps identify more than exact copies. The system analyzes similarities across a large content database. Check for duplicate content shows potential matching sources so you can understand where similarities originate. Deep plagiarism scans search across large collections of online content, academic resources, and indexed materials. Detailed plagiarism reports provide clear percentages that help you evaluate originality. Document statistics add another layer of analysis by showing word counts, character counts, and content metrics. The tool is designed for students, bloggers, writers, marketers, researchers, educators, and businesses. The interface remains simple and easy to navigate even for first-time users. Secure data handling ensures uploaded content is not permanently stored or shared. Since everything runs online, there is no software installation required. Now let's run a real plagiarism scan. I have pasted a short sample paragraph into the editor. Once I click Check Plagiarism, the system begins analyzing the content. The analysis usually takes only a few moments depending on text length. Once the scan finishes, you will receive a visual plagiarism report. On the right side, we can see the overall originality score. In this example, the content is 72% unique and 28% matched. Green section indicate unique content. Highlighted sections help identify content that may need revision or citation. Beyond plagiarism detection, CopyChecker also provides content statistics. These metrics help you better understand writing complexity and readability. Writers can use these insights to refine structure and improve content quality. Basic document statistics are available without requiring additional tools. If you would like to learn more about plagiarism, citations, academic writing, or originality best practices, CopyChecker also includes educational resources and blog content directly on the platform. Now let's talk about pricing. The free plan includes access to multiple tools with monthly word allowances. For students, writers, and marketers who need more capacity, the creator should expand those limits significantly. If you only need specific tools, you can customize your own plan and pay only for what you actually use. Annual billing provides additional savings compared to monthly subscriptions. Need extra words without upgrading? You can purchase additional Plagiarism Checker credits separately. These top-up words don't expire and continue rolling over. Whether you are submitting an assignment, publishing a blog post, writing marketing content, or preparing research material, checking originality should be part of your workflow. And that's exactly what CopyChecker's Plagiarism Checker helps you do. See you in the next episode of CopyChecker Inside.